welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. This review is being brought to you today by pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their email, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today I'm going to continue to show you these brand new Envy colors. Envy has 12 new rooted colors and they have them on 25 of their styles. So today we are going to be looking at Brittany, and this beautiful color on Brittany is called Silky Beige. So very, very pretty, light, platinum-y blonde. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start looking at this beautiful color. This is Silky Beige, and of course this is on their very pretty Brittany wig. I've always wanted to try Brittany, so I'm so happy that I get to, try her. She's very pretty. I've always thought her wave pattern looked very, very pretty. So, and I'm really impressed. Very, very cute. Okay, so I will cover just a little bit about Brittany, quick review on her, and then we will get into talking about this beautiful Silky Beige. So Brittany is a lace front with a mono top. So, but I'll do a spin in a minute too. I forgot about that. This particular color, Silky Beige, does have a dark brown root, so you can see those knots a bit. But the way the bang hangs, you don't really see that front unless you were to wear it, in an off-the-face style. So like I said, she is a full mono top, so you can part her anywhere up here on that mono top. And then I've got great coverage around the face. These are average size, but again, fitting my petite head nicely. Ear to ear fits nicely, forehead to nape. There's a little bit of extra room. So, these will go above average easily, but it's nice that they do fit petites as well. So let me do a spin. Here's my left, the back, my right, and back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise for Brittany, she is 10 inches here in the front. She is 11.5 inches from the crown. She has 8.75 inch sides, and her nape back here is 5.5 inches. So, not super long, but enough length to, play around with some fun styling. So really, really pretty. I'm very impressed with her. Okay, so let's talk about this beautiful new platinum color, Silky Beige. I have done so many of these colors, I'm like, oh, the names are running together. Silky Beige. So very, very pretty. So Silky Beige is described, of course, obviously it's a rooted color. It is an ashy beige blonde, highlighted with light buttery platinum blonde with dark brown roots. So, I feel like the beige and the platinum are what stick out. Maybe a little bit of a buttery, but it's mostly cool to neutral, I would say. I can see that buttery, what they're talking about in there. And I'm sure it'll catch in other lighting too. So there's your rooting. Of course, your rooting is going to be all around your face. Anywhere you separate the hair, you're going to see that rooting, and you'll see it on the nape too. This is the color in just regular room lighting. Overhead room light, no bright lights on this. This is a very, very pretty blonde. And I like the dark roots. Not everybody likes the dark roots on blonde, but I think they look pretty. Okay, so now we're just looking at her with just room light, outside window light. No overhead lights on. This has been a good spot for me to show you these shades. So there's no, ring light or anything like that on. It's pretty. I love this wig. Oh, so cute. Her interior cap construction. So she has a temple to temple lace front with a full mono top. So that's going to cover your whole head, cover all the way across your forehead, give you that appearance of the hair growing right out of your scalp. She has lace covered ear tabs with a nice piece of metal. There's hair on the inside of the ear tab and on the outside, excuse me, which is really nice for, you know, off the face styling and really disguises those ear tabs, makes it look really nice up against your face. She's open wefted all through the cap. She has the pull adjusters. She does not have an extended nape. There's plenty of stretch in the cap and in the circumference. Okay, we can look at styling and glasses real quick on her too. So glasses work great on her, no problem. You can put the glasses up on your head, but I would tuck, you know, first. And she's cute with a headband. And I would pull down her pretty layer here in the front. Just get those little waves by your face. That looks pretty. You can even pull down a little bit over here if you wanted to. And then she has the length to go, you know, half up, half down. Looks really pretty like that. And then there's a little bit of length, like if you wanted to do a low pony or a twister or something like that. Now when I do that, you can also see that nape. So see that you have the rooting all the way around the piece. So that looks cute too. And then of course you have a lace front, so you know, you could just pull her off the face if you wanted to. So lots of styling options. This is a nice, easy to wear length that gives you a lot of styling options as well. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.